Dear students, welcome you all for the video classes. In the last class, we have discussed about definition of relations. Under that, we have taken one problem, that is how to represent a relation in case of two sets which are non-empty. That is relations R is nothing but subset of a Cartesian product, that is A cross B. What is relation capital R is nothing but subset of the Cartesian product of two sets, that is A cross B. Then what type of A cross B? A cross B is nothing but Cartesian product of two sets. Those two sets A and B are non-empty, and capital R is nothing but which is relation R is subset of A cross B. Under that, how to represent a relation can be represented with the help of geometrical representation is nothing but set builder formation, and another one is roster or tabular method. As in the case of set theory, we are taken sets can be represented with the help of set builder or rule method. In the same way, relations can be represented with the help of set builder or rule, or another method is nothing but roster or tabular method. Then I will take one of the important set, that is AB. I will take another definition. Let capital A is equal to, here there are two sets, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 is one of the set. Another set B as B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dear students, what is the job? Job is to find the Cartesian product first. Why? Because relation is nothing but subset of the Cartesian product, that is A cross B. That's why. Now A cross B is equal to, now A cross B is nothing but what? Now A cross B is nothing but a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 cross with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what are the elements? Are nothing but 1, 1, correct? 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, correct? Are you know it is? After that 2, 1, after that 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, correct? 2, 4, after that 2, 5, 2, 5, after that 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, after that 3, 5, 3, 5, after that 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, after that 4, 1, after that 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5. These are the some of the A cross B values, which are nothing but A cross B values. A cross B values. Then what are the relation? Here they are given one of the relation as R. Correct? Now they are given one the relation R as R is equal to 1, 1. Correct? 1, 1. Correct? After that 2, 2. Just to take 2, 2. After that you write it as 2, 3. After that you write it as 3, 4. Which is a subset of A cross B, correct? Which is subset of A cross B. What they are given is the given relation R as subset of the Cartesian product, that is A cross B. These values, these elements or members which are subset of the Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets. Yes or no? Just to check it. 1, 1. Yes, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. 3, 4, which are subset of A cross B. Then domain of the relation, correct? Domain of R, domain of relation R. I told in the last class, that is set of all first components in the ordered pair. Set of all first components in the ordered pair, which are nothing but domain of the relation R. Set of all first components are nothing but 1, after 2, which is nothing but 3. Set of all first components or first member of the given ordered pair, that is 1, 2. Here there will be 2 repetition. you write in set singleton. After that 3. Domain of the relation. After that range. Range of R, range of capital R is nothing but, range is nothing but set of all second components. Here there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, which is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, which is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what about the codomain? Codomain of R is nothing but, or the set B itself. Codomain of the set is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is nothing but capital B. Which is nothing but what? Capital B. The set of all second components are nothing but range of the relation are set of all first components, set of all first members are nothing but domain of the relation are set of all second components are nothing but range of the relation are. Then what about the codomain? Codomain is nothing but whole set capital B. It is second set. Whole set capital B. Here, look at the value A cross B. B is the codomain set. And A is the domain set actually. But domain means set of all first components in the given relation R. After that, here there will be a graphical representation takes place. That graphical representation is nothing but, I will write the graphical representation, which is nothing but, just to observe the graphical representation. Correct? Graphs. Just to collect two sets, they are in the fashion of A, you call it say A, they are in the form of B, another set that is B. What are the elements? That is 1, there will be 2, there will be 3, and there will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there will be 1, here there will be 2, here there will be 3, here there will be 4. And here there will be 5. Here there will be 5. Then look at the value 1 goes to 1. Correct? 1 goes to 1. You write it as this value. You call it say 1. 1 goes to 1. 2 goes to 2. 2 is 2. 2 goes to 3. Look at value 2, 3. There will be combination. 2, 3 combination. There will be here this value 2, 3. 2, 3. After that 3, 4. After that 3, 4. After that this is the value 3, 4. Correct? This is the representation where the relation or given relation can be represented with the help of a diagram. That is nothing but visual representation. But look at the values of the element, that is 1, 1. That is a man 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 3, yes. 2, 2, 2, 3. After that 3, 4. Yes, there will be 3, 4. While observing the figure, you can easily tell which ordered pair takes place. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಗಳಿವೆ. ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಗಳಂತ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಗಳಿದ್ದು ಎ ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 4 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತೋರಿಸೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ವೇರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 4 ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, which is nothing but a visual representation, means by observing the facts. Next I will give one of the note. How many relations can be taken, how many relations are taking place in case of elements. The relations are nothing but number of relations can be obtained with the set of two sets are nothing but number of subsets. There is a relation 2 to the power n relation. Next we will see some of the examples. Correct? I will write examples. Let capital A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, sorry 6, and one more element is there, 6. Define a relation. Define a relation define a relation capital R from A to capital A to capital A by capital R is equal to order pair x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 1. First one, depict this relation, using an arrow diagram. Using an arrow diagram. After that, write down the domain, codomain, and range of R, capital R. Dear students, what we are going to show is, our job is to show this relation with the help of some diagrammatic representation. Two sets they are given, but they are given the two sets which are in the same position, A to A. Both the sets, codomain set is also A, and elements of the set capital A, they are also given, A to E. By what type of relation they are given? They are given the relation in the form of set builder. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಗಣಿತದ ವ್ಯಾಖ್ಯೆ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಗಣಿತದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟೆಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಇಫ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ set builder or rule method, then that type of relation cannot be comparison. You cannot compare with the elements or members with the help of set builder or rule method. Those relation you should convert, which is in the form of roster or tabular method. That's why I will take the relation first given, correct? First I will write the relation as given R is equal to order pair x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 1. Now define this relation using an arrow diagram. Now I will take first relation R. Now R is equal to, if you put the value of x is equal to 1 here, x is equal to 1, then what happens, y value should be 1 plus 1, that is y is 2, correct? If you put the value of x is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, y 2. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. X is equal to 4, y is equal to, x is equal to 4 plus 1, y is equal to 5. After that 5, after that 6. Here my question is, if you put the value of x6, then y becomes 7. X and y value should be in the values of capital A itself. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು r ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಅಂತ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, 6 plus 1 7 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 7 ಇರುವಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ 5 6 as it is. This is our new relation. Which is in the form of roster or tabular form. Then answer number one. Depict this relation using an arrow diagram. I will write here that A. Another set is also A. Right? Because the relation from A to A are from A to A. Then what are the values? Here there will be 1. Here there will be 2. Here there will be 3, 4, 5, 6. Here there will be 1. Here there will be 2, 3. After that 4, 5, 6. How many elements are there? There are 6 elements in the set capital A, at the same time 6 elements in the capital A. Both the sets are look at the same sets. Why? Because A to A, relation from A to A. Now we are going to join the points of 1, 2 means 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 1 to 2, correct? 1 goes to, that is 2, 1 goes to 2. There is a relation. After that, 2 to 3, 2 to 3, there will be a relation. 2 to 3, 3 to 4, there will be a relation, that is 3 to 4, 3 to 4. After 3 to 4, 4 to 5, there will be a relation, 4 to 5. After that, 5 to, after that 5 to 6, 5 to 6. These are nothing but what? Values in the diagrammatic representation. Relation values which is in the diagrammatic representation. Write down the domain, codomain and range of R. Second one. Write the domain, codomain and range of R. I will write the domain of R first. First I will write domain of the relation R. Correct? Second one, question number 2. Domain of a relation R. Domain of R is nothing but set of all first members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Domain of the relation R is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Domain of the relation 5. After that, range of R. Range of R is nothing but what? Set of all second components. There are nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has nothing but range of R. Then what about the codomain? Codomain of R. Codomain of R is nothing but a whole set capital A. This set, which is nothing but that is this place is codomain place. Codomain. Sometimes codomain is equal to range. I will tell later. Codomain is equal to range. I will tell later. But codomain set is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is nothing but codomain of R. Codomain of R. This is the representation where we can take with the help of a relation. Next. I will take one more example. Example. Consider this figure shows a relation between the sets P and Q. Write this relation. First one, in set builder form. Second one, in roster form. What is what are its domain and range? What are its domain and range? They are given as threads which are in the form of P. They are given it is 9. After that there will be 4 and there will be 25. After that they are given sets. Here there will be 5, 3, 2, 1, -2, 5. 9 to minus 3, that will be mapping, and 9 to 3, that will be mapping P, and here there will be Q. Both these sets P and Q. After that 2 goes to 4, minus 4, 25 this way, after that this way. Correct? These are the certain values they are given. What they are asking is, they are asking me in the set builder form, and in the set builder form. Correct? Solution number 1. Solution number 1. In the set builder form, what are the relations? Just to observe, the relation is nothing but what they are given. Just to observe the relation. Here there will be 9. 9 to 3, there will be combination. 9 to 3, there will be a combination. What type of combination? Let us see. 9 to 3, 9 to minus 3. There is a relation among the 9 3 combination and 9 minus 3 combination. At the same time, here there will be 4. You know it is a 4 value. The value 4. 4 to minus 2, there is a combination. 4 to plus 2 is a combination. After that, one more value is 25. 25 to minus 5 and 25 to plus 5, there will be a combination. Means 5 square is 25, minus 5 square is also 25. Minus 2 square is 4, plus 2 square is also 4. Correct? 3 square is 9, minus 3 square is also 9. Therefore, there will be a combination of the sets P and Q. ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 9 ಮತ್ತು 3 ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ, 9 ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 4 minus 2 4 2 ಗೆ 25 minus 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 25 5 ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್? ಸಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ one of the important value. There is nothing but important value in the set capital P. Now I will write in the set builder form as relation R is equal to order pair x comma y such that x is equal to y square. X is equal to y square. What is the value of x? X is in the first set. That is nothing but this x. What you have to write? X belongs to capital P. X belongs to capital P and y belongs to capital Q. That's enough. X belongs to capital P and y belongs to capital Q. Then what is the x value? I will write x belongs to P means x is equal to 9. Correct? X belongs to capital means x belongs to capital B means 9 belongs to capital P. 9 belongs to capital P. Are you agree? Yes. Once 9 belongs to P, capital P, then y value is what? Y belongs to Q. Y is in the sense y square. What is the y square value? 3. 3 belongs to Q. That is 3 square belongs to P. 3 square belongs to P. 3 square is 9. 9 belongs to P. That is nothing but xy. I will write 9 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 and after that 9 3 9 minus 3 4 2 4 minus 2 25 5 25 minus 5. This is the roster set builder form or mathematical form which is nothing but set builder form. R is equal to x comma y such that x is equal to y square. X belongs to capital P, y belongs to capital Q, x belongs to P. We have to mention the x and y where. Correct? X and y, it comes in the which sets, that is P or Q, you have to mention. After that, roster form you have to write second one, that is roster form. Roster form is nothing but R is equal to, directly write the diagram. Correct? Read the diagram 9 comma 3. That is you write it as 9 comma 3. After that 9 comma minus 3. 9 comma minus 3. After that 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. After that 4 comma minus 2. Once 4 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 2. After that 25 comma 5 and 25 comma minus 5. 25 comma minus 5. These are the some roster form of the given representation or above representation. Correct? Here 9. Yes, x is 9. Y should be 3. 3 square is 9. X is minus 3. Sorry, x is 9. Y is minus 3. Minus square 3 is nothing but 9. Therefore, this is the representation where The roster form can be written with the help of observing the diagram or by taking the set builder form notations. After it, what are its domain? Domain of R. Correct. Domain of the relation capital R, which are nothing but set of all first members are nothing but 9, 4, 25. 9, 4, 25 are nothing but domain of the relation R. Domain of the relation R. What are the range? Range of R, range of the relation R, which is nothing, range is nothing but 3. Set of all second component, range of this 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5. Set of all second components, set of all second components are nothing but, set of all second components are nothing but range of the relation R. If you wish, you can write codomain. Codomain is nothing but, if you write codomain, they are not asking, but you write codomain of capital R is nothing but 5, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Okay? 5, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but a set Q. Always, codomain set is one of the biggest set. Sometimes codomain is equal to range. Sometimes codomain equal to what? Range of the relation R. Then I will take one more example. Very simple for the calculation. Important for exam of the category of 1 mark. Example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 3, 4. Find the number of relations from A to B. Number of relations from A to B. Find the number of relations from A to B. Solution. Given n of A is equal to 2, n of B is equal to 2. N of B is equal to 2. Here 2, n of B. Number of elements 1, 2. There are 2 members. Find number of relations from A to B. We know n of A cross B, which is nothing but n of A into n of B, which is nothing but 2 into 2, which is nothing but 4. Therefore, number of relations from A to B is equals to 2 to the power n of A cross B, which is nothing but 2 to the power n of A cross B is nothing but 4, which is nothing but 16 relations. How many relations you can draw? You can write 16 relations which are nothing but subsets. Number of subsets from A to B same as number of relations from A to B. I will take one more example. I will write one more example. I will write one more example, that is example. Let capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. Define a relation R from. Define a relation capital R from A to capital A by R is equal to ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where where x comma y belongs to capital A, write down this domain, codomain and range. Write down domain, codomain and range. Solution. Given A is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 40. Dear students, these three dots are enough for infinite in the sense up to 14 general numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 like that. Correct? R is equal to, correct? R they are given, that is nothing but x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. That is R is equal to whatever x comma y such that y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x. Then now R is equal to, if x is 1, if out of element 1 to 14 you have to collect, if x is 1, y should be 3, 1 comma 3. After 2, if x is 2, y is 6, x is 2, y is 6, x2, y is 6. If x3, then what happens? X is 3, y is 9. Correct? X is 3, y is 9. X is 3, y is 3 into 3 is 9. After that, x is 4, x is 4, y is 4 into 3 that is 12. After that, x is 4 into 3 12, x is 5 into 3 that is 15, which is not valid. Dear students, why we are not taken all the values? Here if x is 1, y what happens? Y is equal to 3 into 1. What is the value? 3 into 1 is 3. Yes, y is 3. If x is 2, 3 into 2 becomes 6, 2 comma 6. If x is 3, y becomes what? x3, y becomes 9. If it is x4, y is 12. Correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಪೇಪರ್ ಏನಿದೆ x, y such that y is equal to 3x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. 1 2 3 4 ಅಥವಾ 14 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ನಾನು 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? y ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 into 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 into 3 ಆಗಿದೆ. x2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 2 into 3 ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? 6 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಆಗಿದೆ. 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? x3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 3 into 3 9 ಆಯ್ತು. x4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 4 into 3 12 ಆಯ್ತು. x5 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 5 into 3 15 ಆಗಿದೆ. 15 ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ write down this domain, codomain and range. ಈ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, domain of the relation R, which is nothing but first number 1 2 3 4 domain. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು? domain of the relation R ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 1 2 3 4. codomain ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಅಥವಾ range of R, range range of the relation R ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? range ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 3 6 9 12. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವಲ್ಲ ಅದು range ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. codomain ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, codomain of R is nothing but what? The whole set 1 to 40. That is nothing but 1 to codomain 1 2 3 up to 14 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, which is nothing but define a ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದೇನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ? codomain. I hope you got the point. This type of relations are there. There are 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 problems are there. After that we completed the portion of relations, and in the same chapter we have another concept, that is functions. That relations remaining problems and function topic can be discussed in the next class. Thank you.